Welcome to the Duo. Here you and your Duo buddy can interact with and support each other on a daily basis. I'll show you how. First, you'll be guided through the process of finding yourself a Duo buddy. Simply click on the button Find a Duo, and it will bring you to all the open duos, so legends that don't have a Duo buddy yet, just like yourself. If there's no open duo, you can create one yourself so that other new legends can find you. Once you have your Duo buddy, you guys will see each other's legend card. This one. In case you're wondering what the sentence is beneath the names, that's the legend purpose each of you has defined for yourself. You probably don't have a defined one yet as you're new to the island, so you will see a predefined sentence. But rest assured, your personal quest in the temple will guide you towards having your own unique legend purpose and legend purpose statement step by step. On this card, you can also share how you feel, and so can your Duo buddy. Click on the emoji you feel fits your current mood and state most, and if you want, share something more about why you feel that way. Once you're done, your Duo buddy will get an email notification outside of Colegend, and also a Colegend internal message telling them how you feel. The same will happen to you once your Duo buddy has shared their status. You can see it here. As soon as both of you have shared your status, you can connect your hearts. This is meant quite literally because by sharing your status, each one of you has gained a virtual heart symbol that you can now collect. But of course, it's not only about gaining co-symbols. It's about being there for each other. And by sharing each other's status and getting notified about how the other one feels, you can be aware of and be there for each other when you want to give or want to receive support and empathy. There are two ways to easily get into contact with your Duo buddy. One is the contact button, with which you can write a message to your Duo buddy that they will receive via email outside of Colegend. The other one is the chat button up here. It will open up your Discord app with which you can directly chat with your Duo buddy, and the rest of the community by the way, or even talk via voiceover. I also want to mention the notes, in which each of you can write down stuff you want each other to see, remember, etc. And last but not least, there are the escalated bugs. Here you can share a bug of yours with your Duo buddy that you haven't been successful tackling yourself. Sometimes it's just better to look at a problem with 4 eyes rather than 2, or think through them with 2 brains rather than 1. Oh, I almost forgot. You can also quit your Duo by clicking on the 3 dotted button and then on Quit.